Yes, dear friends, welcome to the Pulse Pickings channel. The raid on the U.S. Congress that took place on January 6, 2021, continues to haunt former U.S. President Donald Trump. The Colorado Supreme Court has decided that Trump cannot participate in the 2024 U.S. elections due to his role in the raid. While this decision does not currently impact the presidential election, Trump will be unable to participate in the Republican primaries in the state. The absence of Trump from the ballot in Colorado, where he has been consistently leading in polls for the Republican presidential candidacy, represents a significant setback for his campaign. It is noted that the Colorado Supreme Court based its decision on a provision in the U.S. Constitution related to insurrections. The third paragraph of the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, also known as the Insurrection Law, allows the removal of individuals who have sworn to protect the Constitution, but later engage in rebellion or insurrection against it from Congress, the military, and federal and state offices. Enacted in 1868, the law aimed to prevent individuals who served in the Confederate Army after the U.S. Civil War from regaining power. About 150 years later, some experts interpret Trump's actions on January 6th against the U.S. Congress despite his oaths. The case in Colorado was brought by a group of Colorado voters who, with the support of the Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics, WANG, argued that Trump should be disqualified from the ballot due to his role in the January 6 raid. The decision in Colorado is currently only applicable to the Republican primary scheduled for March 5th. Trump will not appear on the ballot in this vote. However, the decision is likely to affect Trump's status in the presidential elections scheduled for November 5th, 2024. While continuing his election campaign, Donald Trump did not mention the decision in a rally held in Iowa. Additionally, let me mention that The Guardian pointed out that all judges in the court were appointed by the Democratic Party. Trump's lawyers claimed that the 14th Amendment does not apply to the presidency, and pledged to take any disqualification decision to the U.S. Supreme Court, which has the final say on constitutional matters. Trump's lawyer argued that the events at the Capitol on January 6th were not serious enough to be considered an insurrection, and that Trump's statements to his supporters in Washington on that day were protected under the freedom of speech. In fact, when we look at the clause, we can say that it was ratified after the American Civil War. Legally, a significant divergence has emerged. Can this situation have repercussions in other states? Former President Trump announced that he would go to the Supreme Court, and he has until January 4th. If the members of the Supreme Court do not rule in favor of Trump, then this would set a precedent for other states as well, meaning that Trump's path to the 2024 presidency would be in full competition. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to leave a comment